Tesla FSD version 12.5.1 is rolling out to customers. Tesla has started rolling out the latest software version of its Supervised Full Self-Driving FSD to customers. Expected to include a few improvements, the combination of the network's city and highway stacks, and the addition of the system to the Cybertruck. On Friday, Tesla's Supervised FSD v12.5.1 began deploying to some customer vehicles, set to offer improvements, as spotted by Not a Tesla app. The update is being deployed with software version 2024.20.15, and many have discussed and speculated about it in recent weeks, as Elon Musk has teased some of its expected features. The update features earlier and more natural lane changes, along with a few recently talked about features that have been expected to debut with the version. Tesla China FSD approval expected by end of 2024. The version has been highly anticipated for the past few months, given that Musk said in May that FSD would be released for the Cybertruck with v12.5. In the same thread, he said Tesla expected to begin the v12.5 rollout in late June, additionally featuring a major improvement to miles per intervention. More recently, Musk also said that the FSD v12.5.x would finally combine city and highway software stacks. In addition, the new version allows drivers to wear sunglasses while FSD Supervised is engaged, whereas prior versions had the driver monitoring system nag drivers when going hands-free. The CEO has also said that Tesla's actual Smart Summon with start deploying with FSD 12.5.x, noting that it was technically a separate code than FSD, though it will be bundled along with the software. At the time of writing, Tesla hasn't started rolling the update out to any HW3 vehicles, and Musk recently noted that the company would just be focusing on Model Y units with HW4 for the initial rollout of FSD v12.5. Once the software version is running well on those units, Musk says Tesla will then start deploying the update to other vehicles. Tesla started rolling out FSD v12.4.3 earlier this month, with some highlighting many of the system's improvements in videos. The news also comes ahead of Tesla's upcoming robotaxi event, which has now been rescheduled for October, in which the company is set to unveil an upcoming robotaxi platform based on FSD. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.